Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to install this water dispenser. So there she is, brand new Brio. It's replacing this old leaker. So all the parts come in the kit to install this under your sink. I am going to, I've disconnected this little fitting right here. It's a shutoff valve. And I think I might just connect to this fitting here since it's already run and save me a whole bunch of time, and then I can start flushing out the filters. This thing comes with, I think, probably every conceivable part you would need here, most of which I'm not going to use. There's hoses, so we're gonna clean out the filters first, which it comes. This particular unit comes with filters. It also comes with connections to hook up under your sink. Like I said, I'm not going to do that because mine's already been run. A little tool to release the hoses and whatnot, so we'll get started. Okay, I've got the old one, the old water dispenser moved out. This is the valve that's on the old one. It's absolutely fine. Here's the new one, and what I really need off the new one is this fitting right here. Now I could take it off and that all kind of stuff, but I don't think I'm going to. I think instead what I'm going to do is disconnect this section of hose from this valve here and just plug that new hose into this existing valve. Okay, so here's the side that I need coming off of this side here. I'm going to pull this little clip out and then push that part in and pull it out. I really don't like these fittings. They're cheap, they're plastic, and cheap plastic leaks. I don't like it, but that's what I have to work with. So you push it in, and I'm trying to pull it out and it won't come out. That's a good sign. Now I've got water pressure on this, so I am going to put this in the sink and make sure that there's no leaks. Okay, I'm going to turn the valve back on here, and I get some water, just like it should. Turn that back off and continue on. Okay, next thing we're going to flush these cartridges. I've got two, and this little gizmo comes with it. Turn it in tight. We're going to connect the water to the left side of it, like so. And then, this probably isn't going to want to stand up. Connect the right side of it, like so. And then turn the water on and let it run for 5 minutes. Okay, so while that's doing its thing, we'll go do something else. Okay, and you can see there the water is coming out reasonably clean. All right, I turned the water off, and we're going to do the other one in the same manner. This one is a sediment filter. Turn the water on. All right, that one is done as well. I'm going to push this little collar in, pull out the tube. Same with this one. And now I can connect it. Alright, so I've got the base of the cabinet opened up, and these are the connections for the filters. And according to the diagram, the sediment filter goes on the left and the carbon block filter goes on the right. There's one. And two. That's all there is to connect that. Now we're just going to connect the water in the back and turn it on. Alright, so this is where the water connection is. Let me zoom in on that a little bit so you can see it. And that little plug comes out, but I have to compress the nut there first. There we go. And then that same fitting that we just pulled out of the cartridge goes right into the same spot. Push it in, make sure that doesn't come out. So far so good, but like I said, I really don't have a whole lot of trust in those things. I've been the victim of them before, so keep an eye on it. So now I'm going to turn the water on and kind of let it percolate, and it probably is going to take 5 or 10 minutes before we finally have pressure. I've not plugged it in yet either. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes and it stopped making the gurgling noises, so I can press the button. Yay, okay, water comes out. That's the cold, this is the hot. This is not cold and hot because I haven't turned on the switches in the back, but it is working. This says UV. It says in the manual there's some type of a UV function in there, although I don't know what it could be. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.